Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few pieces of jewelry and a watch that I bought from Amazon, and I will also show you how you can style these jewelry pieces with a high neck and wear them to your winter weddings. I also picked up all of these jewelry pieces on discount, so if you want to check them out, I'll have all the links in the description box. So if you want to know what all I got and how I style them, please continue watching. The first thing that I bought is this long necklace from Zaveri Pearls. This is how the beautiful necklace looks like. It's a long layered necklace with these kundan details, and it also comes with these small studs. It's a very beautiful piece. It's got all of these layered pearl strings, and in this video I have styled it with this turtleneck and it looks absolutely beautiful. So you can pair your long layered necklaces with turtlenecks or high neck tops or blouses and wear them to your winter wedding functions. Like here I'm wearing a black turtleneck with a maroon lehenga skirt, and I've draped this multicolor bani dupatta, and the layered pearl long necklace is complementing the outfit perfectly. To go with it, I'm also carrying this beautiful pearl and rhinestone clutch bag. So you can pair your turtlenecks with such long pieces of jewelry and they will look so nice. This one was very affordable, so if you want you can definitely check this one out. I'll have all the links in the description box. The next piece of jewelry that I got is this beautiful statement ring. It's a golden ring from Zaveri Pearls. This is how the ring looks like. It's a statement ring. It's almost like a gold look-alike ring. It looks very beautiful. This is a basic ring that you can have, and you will be able to pair it with a lot of different items. This is a ring that you can pair with your golden jewelry and it will look really nice, and it's quite a big size. The quality is not bad at all. I'm sure you will love it. This was also very affordable. The next piece that I have is from my favorite brand, that is Odette. So I bought a necklace from them this time. So this is the necklace that I bought. It's a beautiful golden necklace with these kundan pendants and pearl work. It looks absolutely gorgeous, especially on a black turtleneck. This will look really nice because of the chain work that it has going on. This necklace is so pretty, and you can pair it with your saris, your kurtas, or even with turtlenecks, and it will look absolutely gorgeous. I know these pieces are a little bit expensive, but the quality is amazing. The pendants are so gorgeous. The one in the middle also comes with a ruby stone. It looks so beautiful. You also get these really small and cute earrings with it. So this is the necklace set that I got from Odette. Apart from these pieces, I've also styled this gorgeous choker necklace with this turtleneck. You can definitely pair such choker necklaces with your turtlenecks for winter weddings. Like I'm wearing here, this gorgeous choker necklace is also from Odette. I had got it from Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description box. And also I have layered two long necklaces. Since turtlenecks are usually plain, you can go heavy with the jewelry. Layer a few necklaces like I have done here. So I've layered these two necklaces together, and both of them are from Zaveri Pearls, and they look so nice together. I have skipped earrings, and I'm wearing the golden statement ring and carrying a golden metallic bag to complete the look. So you can also create this kind of a look and glam up your turtlenecks for winter weddings. These pieces are also from Amazon. I will definitely find the links and leave them in the description box, so check them out. Coming to the last piece, so I have this watch from Casio. It's from their vintage series, and I bought this beautiful golden watch with a golden band and a black dial. It's a digital watch, and this is how it looks. So I have worn this over the sleeves of my turtleneck and it looks so nice. Since it's a golden watch, it will work with your Indian wear as well as your Western wear. This will work with most of your like wedding outfits, and it will also look really smart. If you're not a bangle person and if you want to invest in a good watch, these are really trending, so definitely check this one out. So that is it for this video. These were all the different pieces that I bought. I hope you liked them. Let me know which jewelry piece was your favorite, and if you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. That is it for this video. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.